Kung nagtitipid ka, pero gusto mong ma-experience at makita ang ilan sa Thailand's major attractions na matatanaw along Chao Phraya River, don't skip this video. Hi friends, it's V. The regular rate of a Chao Phraya River cruise starts at 1,500 up to 2,500. But don't worry, meron tayong isang travel hack. Try to book a Chao Phraya tourist hop-on hop-off sightseeing boat na available sa Klook. Ang cost nito ay 246 pesos lang. You can book this through Klook and simply present your QR code and they will give you a physical ticket that you will present sa staff ng barko. Some of the benefits of booking this trip, ito ay budget-friendly, dumadaan sa major attractions like Wat Arun, Grand Palace at Asia Trip. Also, pwede mong gawing flexible ang iyong itinerary dahil pwede kang bumaba at mag-explore or you can just enjoy the river views habang sakay-sakay ka. This is an all-day unlimited trip sa Chao Phraya River. Since this is a hop-on and hop-off sightseeing boat, may added waiting time per stop dahil sa loading and unloading of passengers. Plus, wala ring food unlike sa mga regular cruise na pwede nang mag-book. But the good thing is, pwedeng-pwede kayong bumaba sa may Khao San Road para kumain ng mga murang street food and then get back on and hop on for more sightseeing. To maximize the ticket, you can visit all the major attractions na pwedeng daanan ng boat and then in the afternoon before sunset, mag-stay na kayo for sightseeing and also I highly recommend to stay at night kasi iba rin talaga yung view sa night kapag nag-start na silang mag-open ng lights. If you want real experience and travel tips, click that follow button.